Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix account picture error. This picture couldn't be saved or setting. The account picture failed in Windows 11, 10 and 8 with two methods. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer. You just need to navigate to the picture you are getting the error. You just need to right click on it and just copy it guys. After copying it, you just need to select the three dot icon in the top and select options, select view, and you just need to select show hidden files, folders and drives, and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you just need to go to this PC, local disk C, in here users. You need to double click on the user folder guys. To find your username, you just need to click on the start icon, and here you can able to see your username. After finding it, double click on the folder, double click on the app data invisible folder, roaming. Now in here you need to search for Microsoft, double click on it, Windows folder, account pictures folder, double click on it. In here you need to paste the picture guys. Right click on it and paste it. After pasting the picture, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. You just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.